Court defers pronouncement of quantum of sentence in Irom Roja murder case and Ajay was convicted in the case. Court denies bail and remands UNC leaders in 15-day police custody. Goodwill Mission for Coexistence Manipur questions Centre for not initiating talks regarding the indefinite economic blockade. And Drivers' Day will be observed on January 14th in memory of drivers who died on duty. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtung with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The court today deferred a pronouncement of quantum of sentence in Irom Roja murder case on the 20th of this month. The session judge had convicted Nongthombam Ajay, son of former minister and BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson Nongthombam Biren, was convicted in the case on the 6th of this month. The defense counsel requested the judge to postpone the pronouncement of quantum of sentence on provision of good conduct. Nongthombam Ajay was brought in the court of Session Judge Imphal West at Choirap Court this morning at 10:30. The defense counsel requested the court to call a report from the provisioned officer under subsection 2 of section 4 of Provision of Offenders Act. The CBI counsel told the court that Provision of Offenders Act cannot be applied as Ajay is found guilty under section 27 of Arms Act. Judge directed the provisioned officer Imphal West to submit a report on Nongthombam Ajay on or before January 20th. The court will pronounce a sentence on January 20th. A large number of people gathered at the court to hear the pronouncement of the quantum of sentence. However, no untoward incident occurred in the court complex. It may be recalled that Irom Roja was shot dead by Nongthombam Ajay during Yaosang Festival in 2011. Office of Chief Electoral Officer Manipur will organize intensive voter awareness program which include Drivers' Day, Army Day, drawing competition of school students, interactive school engagement, mega painting competition, state-level essay competition, electronic voting machine EVM demonstration camps, voter awareness through social and electronic media, registration of mobile numbers, celebration of National Voters' Day. Systematic voter awareness and electoral participation sweep activities will be carried out during Drivers' Day observation on January 14th. During celebration of Army Day, DEOs have been advised to distribute leaflets regarding electoral process. As a part of sweep campaign on ethical voting, District Election Officer Chandal organized a district-level students painting competition on the theme "Every Vote Counts" at DRDA Training Hall, Chandal today. In a press release, DIO Chandal said around 20 school students took part in the competition. Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee today held protests against digitization, cashless society demonetization and economic blockade near the office of the party at Hauke Bank, Sanjinthong. Taking part in the protest, President of the party, Kim Gangti, said even in developed countries, move for cashless society cannot become successful. She said digitization, cashless society will give a big impact on people who cannot read and write.
Manipur and India is not ready to go for this digitization and cashless society. Maramdi ekhoise, we still have to go a long way. Lairik laisu heitaba mayam leiri chingnung manung da mobile leibangam daba kaya leibangam labasu operate toba heiroi doba mayam leiri even city manung dasu awaba mayam America, UK, Japan yamna advanced oiba countries sing phawba cashless society oide is not at all possible haibani Trinamool Congress na masi tawasi tawbiganu.
UNC President Gaidon Kame and Publicity Secretary Stephen Lamkang were produced today in the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East in connection with a case registered in Tadobi Police Station. Both of them were charged under Section 147, 148, 124A, 120B and 153A. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East Aribam Nautuneshwari rejected a bail plea by the defense counsel and remanded them in 15-day police custody. Meanwhile, Nungba Police Station made a formal arrest of the two UNC leaders in connection with a case registered against them at Nungba Police Station. The hearing of the case will be held on the 17th of this month. Both of them were produced in the court this afternoon around 1:30 under tight security measures. Gaidon Kame told the court that they were given electric shock by state agency on November 28 last year during interrogation in Kangla after they were blindfolded. He said their right legs are numb. Imphal West Police today conducted combing operation at Masjid Road in Pauna Bazaar ahead of the Republic Day celebration to prevent untoward incidents. The operation was conducted under the supervision of DSP Commando Imphal West. More than 100 persons were checked and 29 persons without proper documents were picked up for verification. Goodwill Mission for Coexistence Manipur, GWM-CEM, has questioned the Centre for not initiating tripartite talks regarding the indefinite economic blockade. Convener of GWM-CEM, Ningthauja Lancha, said the Home Ministry has assured on December 27th last year that it would initiate talks among the UNC, state government and the centre. He said Goodwill Mission for Coexistence Manipur has repeatedly returned to the centre to hold tripartite talks. Ningthauja Lancha accused the centre of ignoring the prevailing situation in the state. Peace and Development Committee, Nongshum and GWM-CEM held one-day discussion at Ibudho Nongda Laiden Pakhangba Community Hall at Nongshum to strengthen harmony among the people of Manipur. People from Uyumpok, GP Nongshum, Kamenlok, Hongbal, Tangkhul, Samaram, Nepali Basti and Nongshum participated in the discussion. Ningthauja Lancha said it is unfortunate that interlocutor R.N. Ravi has expressed a desire to hold talks with civil society organizations, not talks among UNC, state government and the centre. He was apprehensive that the intervention by interlocutor R.N. Ravi, who is a part of the Naga Framework Agreement, might worsen the situation.
Mayamna Sanla Haiba Special Secretary Home Sika Bani Sanra Matunda tripartite talk ase sinbase yare makoi sila agya 2017 mudada assure tore tam kunipa da koi ngai no response tam kumapan ngai no response adini tam kumapan gi mudada koi press or kanda hoji power center na tripartite talk che thabi ratre aduna ai koi amukhana reminder tama Makoya ai boina sanagi bo sindi ki base in return the equina central government the body se sanana ba United Naga Council and state government and the government of India se sabina ba honda view has in return Thai.
The 28th Drivers' Day will be observed on January 14th at Kuman Lampak Interstate Bus Terminal ISBT in memory of drivers who died on duty. Gifts will be presented to the families of late drivers at observance being organized by All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union. Speaking to media at the union's office at MG Avenue, Maimom Anil Maite said all need to respect to the drivers and handymen who lost their lives on duty. He said Drivers' Day commemorates the drivers' protest on January 14, 1990 against various atrocities against drivers. Maimom Anil appealed to the people to participate in the observance.
Legidraba drivers singi imung manung marung mapang lai guru Ahalaman Singh Punamakna Lingbirak Tuna, like the driver singing from the Ikaikon Pasita Saru Yavinaba, Uniongi, Maike, Pondok Seri, Manipura Chingtam, Kaktana Punamakna, Equigi, लेकिद्रबा ड्राइवर सिंह मफम द कटपा अदुगुम्बा काय खुनुबो उत्पसिदा मयाम पुनः सरुक याबिननबा ऑल मणिपुर रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट ड्राइवर्स एंड मोटर वर्कर यूनियन ना पुनमुक्ति मफम द लाकपिननबा हाइजरी.
Polling Committee BJP 7/23 Tulihal under BJP Andhra Mandal today welcomed Congress workers who have joined the BJP at Tulihal Konjelinglekai. BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson Dr. Nimai Chan Luwang, President of Upliftment Committee Andhra Mohammad Fakruddin and members of the Mandal took part in the event. The teaching and non-teaching staff of Thambal Marik College in Bishnupur district have locked the college. They are protesting the decision to appoint new non-teaching staff by the governing body of the college. They objected the appointment of new staff before regularization of the existing teaching and non-teaching staff. They demanded the governing body to withdraw its decision. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Manipurda ihan hanba oina Sigma Bazaar da phangbiragani melamine crockery items sing kg amada lupa chani khudong chabasi lawbiho ngasi maglengsin birao Sigma Bazaar Dingku Road.
Sky Hospital Porompata CIS amasung Lungs Care Center hangdokchari. Facilities singdi bronchoscopy service, respiratory ICU, light training oiraba sor phunbagi laina sing layengba OPD gi matam lebak pokpa sagol sen thangja nungthil pung 2 dagi pung 3 fawba. Please call or contact reception.
Tata Shakti Jesus Sit Sizinabiu. Government piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti gi product ni. Tata Shakti gi product sing sera sigi district khudi magi retail outlet sing da pangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Ozam Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozam Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozam sinabiyo.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. International Observance Committee on Puya Maithaba ICOP will observe the 288th Memorial of Puya Maithaba on January 20th at Kangla. ICOP has appealed to school and college students in the state to observe January 15 to 17 as Black Day and wear black badge to protest the burning of Puya, the ancient scriptures. Speaking to media at Pandam office, ICOP convener Moirang Thim Naukamba said Maito Ningsing Award and Chingmi Taminung Silipun Award will be given to two renowned persons who have worked for integration of the hills and the valley people. A play based on Puyamai Thaba will also shown at Iboyai Masumang Lila Shangland and Rup Mahal Theatre.
Asigumba thoram asi pangthokjaba asina iramdam asigi singtam nusinaba mari puraknaba amadi andam asigi lon mayek amadi inat saukhatnaba ipai puna ngasigi mirongi damakta ningthok panghoibagi mayakta adungai ipai pusing aduna ningthoga mayakte leptuna yaningde na utpa adumba ningthogi mayakte lekhiba thabai nu panthawagiba hakpa serak phangkiba kyasing adugi mafamda akhoi ikai khunabo ina ngasigi mironna kopam thokte haduna thormasi pangthokjabani lamdam asigi mawroi ba imphangi mawroi lambi singda miyanggi oba singmi tami apun khongchel adu kumsi sahigi oinadi lamdam asigi hojik oiriba yamna mawong marin tadaba haidokpate nungaitaba irang asilebna marum orga kangla doina punna pangthokjagani.
Awards were presented to eminent persons in different fields in connection with the second Foundation Day of Senior Citizen Forum Manipur. Thangta Guru Moirangthem Mani Nat Singer Langathen Thoinu, Nat Sankridant artist Lashram Baburam and Pung artist KSH Gadadhar were honored at the function held at IRDO Wangband, Thobal district. 69 Central Reserved Police Force today presented gifts to clubs and villages in Mantri Pukri under its civic action program. Under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the battalion constructed toilets and handed over to the people at Luangshangba Makalekai. They also provided plastic dustbins at High Hind Primary School, Mantri Pukri and Lilangshing Konangkhong High School and distributed fogging machines and malaria medicines at Langol Tarung Youth Club and Haingang Awang Lekai. Now the sports news. Mama FC Sagolband and RFC Khanam Leirak will meet in the final of the 8 M. Ravichandra Memorial Football Tournament. In the second semi-final, RFC Khanam Leirak beat Apunba FC Kiamgai 3-2 to book a berth in the final. RFC Khanam Leirak's Piabong, Rakesh and Jetli scored in the 8th, 30th and 40th minute. Raju and Inau scored 1 goal each for Apunba FC Kiamgai. The final will be held on the 14th of this month. Sangai Cricket Club Singjamai won in the match of the third Blade League tournament played today. In the match played at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, winning the toss, Sangai Cricket Club Singjamai elected to bat first and scored 162 runs for 10 in 33 overs. In reply, RRCC Churachandpur scored 56 runs only for 10 in 15.3 overs, losing the match by 106 runs. Sangai Cricket Club Singjamai bowler Boris was declared the man of the match for claiming 3 wickets. Blue Hold, Kurai and Trau Kwakithil will play in a league match of the third MCA W Pralada and W Ramananda Elite tournament tomorrow. Model Club B Chingamakha entered the semi-finals of the first Dongbram Subol Memorial Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the fourth quarter final match played today, electing to bat first after winning the toss, Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakaithil scored only 90 runs in the stipulated 30 overs, losing all 10 wickets. AK Chingtam scored 26 runs. In reply, Gulsand of Model Club B Chingamakha made 91 for 6 in 24.5 overs. Priyojit of Model Club B Chingamakha, who took 4 wickets, was declared the man of the match. The first semi-final will be played tomorrow. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at the grounds of Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School. A free fencing coaching camp began today in connection with the 35th Foundation Day of the Youth Athletic Star Union Bhagyavati Lekai. 60 boys and girls players are taking part in the camp organized under the guidance of international fencing player S. Ranjit. The camp will be held till the 24th of this month.
क्लब असिगी कुंठा मंगारक सुबा फाउंडेशन डे के मरी लेना चथजबा सुगुंबा कोचिंग कैम्प असी ngasiदगी अखोय हौदोकचरे मरु पांडमदी अंगांग सिंगले इरकायस्तिगी नेशनल इंटरनेशनल थाकता फेंसिंग मसाना असिदा मणिपुर फेंसिंग एसोसिएशन सिनबा क्लब असिगी होगी सानोर म्याम अमा पुथोक्तुना नेशनल इंटरनेशनल ता पार्टिसिपेट तौब प्लेयर म्याम लेजरे हेना पुथोकपा ngamnaba अखोयना ngasiगी कोचिंग कैम्प असी सुगुम कोचिंग कैम्प पांथोकचबने
3-day annual sports meet 2017 organized by Kongnang Pokpi Area Youth Development Organization Kaido at Kongnang Pokpi in Saikul kicked off today. United Committee Manipur UCM President Elangbam Johnson, Thamaiban Ward No. 2 member NG Dhananjoy and Kaido President Lu Feng Amoy Kom were among those present at the inauguration of the sports meet. Dances and songs were performed at the event. MRC Chajing Myrin Khong beat NSU Naran Konjil Mamang Laikai 2-1 in the final league match of the 28th Langtabal Kendra football tournament organized by Chajing Inat Kanbalub at their ground. TH Rakesh and K Dinko scored 1 goal each for the winners. The lone goal for the losing team was scored by W. Surchandra in the 5th minute. The semi-final match between MRC Chajing Myrin Khong and Mingle Club Chajing Wang Laikai will be played on the 14th of this month. The 5th T20 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament will kick off on the 27th of this month. Manipur Veteran Cricket Association will organize a tournament at Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School. In a match of the 13th Naurem Bhubon Memorial DSA Trophy State Level Invitation Football Tournament, YDO Sora and SAO Kakching were drawn 0-0. FC Lamjau will play Tra Kwakaithal in the 3rd league match tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Court differs pronouncement of quantum of sentence in Irom Roja murder case and Ajay was convicted in the case. Court denies bail and remands UNC leaders in 15-day police custody. Goodwill Mission for Coexistence Manipur questions Centre for not initiating talks regarding the indefinite economic blockade. And Drivers' Day will be observed on January 14th in memory of drivers who died on duty.